Welcome back to another video of using SwiftUI and getting around some of these early quirks that we're seeing. In this instance, I have a single navigation view, but I have multiple action sheets that I'd like to present. The first is the Show Edit sheet screen that I want to display when a user taps the Edit button in the navigation bar. And the second one is a detail sheet that I'd like to present when the user taps the Show Detail Sheet button here in the middle of the screen. Now what you'll notice here in the live preview is that if I tap the detail sheet, it correctly displays. It pops up the way that I want. But if I tap the Edit button, nothing is happening. Now this is very similar to what's happening in the previous video I did about multiple buttons in an H stack. We've got a bit of a conflict here, so we need to resolve this. And one of the things that I like to do is if I'm going to present an action sheet or an alert, I like to attach those sheets directly to the element that's going to cause them to display. So I just cut and move this Show Edit Sheet alert or action sheet directly to the button. And the cool thing about this is I only have to do one to actually get the proper behavior. I'm going to format this so it's easier to see. And as you'll see now that I've updated it, if I tap the Show Detail Sheet, it properly displays. But it also properly displays when I tap the Edit button. Now I'll go a bit further here, even though I've resolved the issue, because as I said, I prefer to have these things directly attached to the elements that are controlling them. And the reason why I like to do this is I'm probably going to end up extracting both of these elements into separate views that I may be able to reuse in some other location. So it just makes the code a bit cleaner. I'm going to resume here, and we'll see that I'm still getting the same behavior that I want, right? So it's just a simple approach. I'll do another video in the future that has a second approach to this, would allow me to use the exact same sheet and just change the view that's presented. So if you like these types of videos, please click like and or comment on some other things that you might want to see me tackle with SwiftUI if you're running into any issues. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you next time.